Hello students, welcome to the course on super effective ways to remove your stretch marks naturally. My name is Fatima Khan and in this video I am going to give you a little bit introduction to this course. So students, this course has 3 sections. In first section we will learn to remove your stretch marks by using tropical treatments and by trying medical interventions and by changing your lifestyle. And at the end of this section I will give you useful tips and important note. So in second section we will learn to get rid of stretch marks naturally by using foods and by using lotions and juices. And at the end of this section I will give you useful tips and quick method. In third section we will learn effective ways to prevent pregnancy stretch marks. So by changing your lifestyle and by starting a new skincare regimen and by maintaining a good routine after you give birth to a baby, you can prevent pregnancy stretch marks by following these easy methods in these lectures. So at the end of this section I will give you useful tips and quick method. So students, it was the division of this course, so let's start learning.